Sometimes we blame God for the miseries that we are experiencing, but we do not have the zeal to cultivate the soil of our hearts in order for us to be fruitful. Kung gusto nating mabago ang ating buhay, kumilos tayo, humakbang tayo. We need to work, we need to be zealous, we need to move forward in order for us to be fruitful. Kung babalikan natin ang ating ebanghelyo, walang katapusan yung kwento ni Jesus. At anong sabi dito? Hindi natin alam ang katapusan ng talinhaga ni Jesus. Hindi natin alam kung namunga baga yung puno ng igos. It is our task to put an ending into that story. Paano mo gustong matapos ang storya? Mamumunga ba yung puno ng igos? O papatayin na lamang ang isang kaawa-awang puno? Dahil yung punong igos, baka ako, baka ikaw. Mamumunga ba tayo? O mananatili tayong walang bunga?